We read on the left, the province of X, don't need to pronounce it, was situated on the Pacific coast, hundreds of kilometers southeast of T, the capital of the Aztec Empire. Because X's location within the empire was so blank, cacao and other trade goods produced there could reach the capital only after a long overland journey. Well, the only thing we know about X's location within the empire is that it was hundreds of kilometers, and we'll go back to our yellow, southeast of the capital. So that means that it's so on the outskirts. So I'm looking for something that would match on the outskirts or far away. So choice A, unobtrusive, does not match. Concealed would literally mean that it's hidden. This is a bit of a trap. You'll convince yourself just because you're more familiar with this term potentially, but don't allow it to match what we highlighted because it doesn't. Approximate, again, it's not approximated. We know it's hundreds of kilometers south of T, but peripheral would absolutely be on the outskirts. We'd put that back into the sentence or the sentences and reread just to confirm the narrative on the actual exam, but we'll move next at this point.